Hola, amigos. Are you ready to turn your dreary language skills into some bright, sunshiny Spanish? Well, hold on to your umbrellas because in today's video, we're storming the heavens and diving into your environment. So, let's come crashing in like lightning and get started. Let's start by learning a little bit about the seasons, las estaciones. Imagine yourself feeling the cold winter wind as you roam the streets of Barcelona. It's invierno, mi friends. It's winter, you say, as invierno. As flowers start to bloom, we welcome la primavera, spring. In Spanish, as primavera means it's spring. That warm sun is the feeling of el verano, summer. When you feel that warm Spanish sun, you can joyously proclaim, es verano, it's summer. And then, as the leaves change color and there's a little chill in the air, we're welcomed by el otoño, autumn. You can tell your amigos, es otoño, it's autumn. Now imagine you're sipping café con leche on a patio in Madrid, and you want to tell your friend how you're feeling about the sunny weather. Here's how you can say it. Estoy caliente, I'm hot. Número dos, tengo frío, I'm cold. Número tres, tengo calor, I'm feeling warm. Número cuatro, tengo mucho frío, I'm feeling very cold. Now, let's spice things up and throw in some questions about the weather. Our first question, ¿Qué tiempo hace? That means, what's the weather like? Seems like an essential question, doesn't it? Our next question, ¿Qué tiempo hará hoy? What will the weather be like today? Possibly you have to prepare for tomorrow, so you would ask, ¿Cómo estará el tiempo mañana? What will the weather be like tomorrow? Here's another question that will come in handy. ¿Cómo está el tiempo afuera? How's the weather outside? You want to know the temperature? Simply ask, ¿Cuál es la temperatura? Great job, you beautiful people. Now, let's level up and learn some statements to describe the weather around us. Whether you need to know if the weather is good or bad, you would ask, ¿Hace buen tiempo or hace mal tiempo? Here's how you would tell someone it's windy. Hace viento. During those hot days, you would say, Hace calor. Here's two ways you could say it's cold. Hace frío and hace fresco. Having trouble seeing because it's foggy outside? How about saying, hay niebla? During a cloudy day with some cast over clouds, you would say, Está nublado. During clear weather or a nice day, you would say, Está despejado. Here's how you would say it's a beautiful day. Hace un día precioso. To say to someone, or they may say to you, today's weather forecast is, you would say, el pronóstico del tiempo para hoy es. How about those beautiful winter days when it's snowing? Está nevando is how you would say it's snowing. When it's raining outside, you would say, Está lloviendo. Maybe that sun's beating down on your face because it's sunny. Here's how you would say that. Hace sol. All right, amigos, how are you feeling? That was a lot. You are now equipped to chat about the weather in Spanish no matter the season or the reason. It's always sunny when you learn something new, right? Now, I have a challenge for you, but don't worry, this one will be fairly simple today. In the comments below, tell me in Spanish how the weather is in your city today. Remember, no Googling. We're in this to learn, so hopefully you took notes. I'm also curious if you're able to use one of the phrases we learned today in a sentence. Write it in the comments as well, and completely in Spanish if possible. Also, let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Even if you didn't, let me know so I can improve upon what I'm doing. I can't wait to see what you come up with. And if you want to learn more Spanish faster, check out the description below or my profile to become a Spanish-speaking pro in no time. And before you go, remember to rain on the like button, thunder down on the share button, and strike like lightning on the subscribe button. And be sure to hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new easy Spanish lesson. Hasta la próxima, amigos!